So the 2016 BMW S1000XR baseline, microphone check 1 2, camera neutral. Hop in and do some drive-bys so you can get an idea how the stock exhaust is gonna sound while you're riding. So it will give you some sort of a baseline that we can compare side by side with the new LeoVince exhaust versus the stock one. Honestly, I'm quite surprised that the stock exhaust is actually creating some sort of a pops. It actually does not sound that bad, but I guess we can add some mean to this machine. Let's get cooking. This is the one for the manuals and stickers. Actually useful stickers. This is most definitely something that you would use if you will be somewhere in the UK. This is European sticker. Carbon fiber shield. This is a double pipe, lower, upper. Next, we have a clamp, spacers, hardware, spring, and I guess while we're all here, the actual exhaust. Right off the bat, as always, the LeoVince exhaust looks really good. And right off the bat, I think I'm gonna remove this silencer. It's right here. Yeah, it's really nice piece and it's very lightweight. I'm pretty sure this one will be like 2-3 times more. I'm gonna put the specs on the screen, but I can tell you right now, I'm positive this one would be like 2-3 times more in terms of weight. So all you need is pretty much T25, 13 mil. You remove the shield, which has only 3 screws on it. And now the 13 mil clockwise, leave the top, get to the bottom one. Make sure you let your exhaust to cool off. I took at least 30 minutes before I started filming this one because, man, it's gonna be really hot after you ride it. This is probably the hottest part that you can easily touch it. Not that easy to get to the headers. For this screw that actually hold the exhaust in place, you need T45. As soon as you free up those 2 clamps, you can use T45 to lose this one. I think this is it, but you only need T25 for those screws, T45 for this one. It goes like nothing. I was waiting for a fight. It's still warm even after half an hour. So yeah, they put the nut on the other side of the exhaust. Alright, where's the coldest part? Come on, give up. See how BMW tries to protect the original exhaust. Doesn't let you take it without the fight. Actually, I was so excited about having only 3 tools like ratchet, 13 mil, T25, T45 and some adapter that I was like, wow, this is so easy. I don't need anything else. No screwdrivers, no crazy stuff. So now I'm looking at this pipe and you gotta use Allen. Come on. I might not have Allen right now. Just kidding. We'll find it. Let's get it going. So let's slap the whole pipe first. Here's the pipe, and you can look it up. The welds are nice and shiny, and I like the clamps. I actually like this style more than the BMW one. Here, just to give you an idea, this looks kind of rough and old, you know, like from the older motorcycle. Alright, I figured I can use T30. It doesn't say what it is. It looks like kind of Allen, but T30 does the job. And I can loosen up, no problem. I perfectly know that this clamp cannot really hold too much pressure, but you gotta make sure it's tight. Here's the puzzle. I'm sure this one goes here. Looks familiar from the previous exhaust systems. And now go right here, I guess. How much I have? Yeah, that looks right. Wow, let's take a look at the exhaust itself. So the pipe goes right here. We need the tensioner spring. That's a cool hanger. A real piece carbon fiber with the rubber insert. That's awesome. Slide it over. Now I kind of got an idea what they want. Yeah, that makes sense. It does make sense right now. Because when you squeeze it, that looks right. Two spacers, two different style. One can go like so. So you use the smaller nut on the back after you jam the banana. Okay, the only improvement I had to do, I actually had to spend $4 worth of hardware, just because I didn't like that I couldn't reuse the original washer, the BMW washer that was on the exhaust. So I had to buy a longer screw, but no big deal. You just go to Ace Hardware, for example. I'll get you the item number. You can just go and grab yours. That's not a big deal. Now we have this one tight. We have this one snug and really tight. Now my least favorite part. I gotta put the springs. I got the one here. Now to the second one. When you have someone holding your bike, it feels really easy. And it might look really easy, but it's not. The trick that I've learned, you have to push, in this case up, while you're removing the screwdriver. So it kind of slides in, but watch out. If it's gonna take off, it's gonna fly really fast and it can hurt you. So be careful about this dangerous piece. A few more things here. And now, after it's got cold, the next day, so I can literally touch it. It's a stone cold. You wanna hear the cold start? I got the microphone right here. Ready? Let's roll. In my personal opinion, it's even quieter with the LeoVince right now than the stock exhaust. I think this is the perfect time to flip the microphone and just take it for a spin. As you can see, we're approaching 140 degrees, so we should be good to go. This exhaust is already warm.
Let's try that.
So in order to remove it, you just put the Allen key and make a right turn until it pops. You see this small valve? It will go off as soon as you try it a little bit harder. Just make sure you have some fresh Allen key, so you don't want to strip this bolt. Otherwise, the only option would be cutting off, which is not fun. So put the fresh Allen key, turn it to the right, and you'll be able to remove this decibel killer. It takes time. It actually takes time. And here's your screw. Just don't lose it. Yeah, I said don't lose it and I almost lost it. I'll keep it for now. Let's see if it's gonna be a hard fight or we'll be able to pull it easily. I guess I need my pliers. Yeah, I need something to grab on. Yeah, I guess I need my pliers. Yep. But now, if you're gonna have any sort of problems, you have to remove it completely, take the canister, put something on the inside that's gonna push against this muffler. So you turn it around like so, hit it from the inside to push it out. That's the other way. If it's gonna get pretty tight still right here, but like I said, it's only a few miles on this exhaust, and if you do it early on, it shouldn't be a problem.
Ready? Let's go.
And here you have it. Now you can clearly compare before, after, and after. It's actually quite different from what most of the people would expect from the exhaust. If you think about it, the LeoVince version is more or less like a Pebble Beach. It's not your Honda VTEC meetup, if I can put it this way. It's not screaming, it's not louder. It's just different tone. It's all about elegance, it's all about weight, it's all about looks. And if you're looking for something that's gonna be screaming a lot, this is probably not the best bet. But if you're looking for something that looks good and has a really good build quality, this is definitely your option. If you like our videos, make sure to thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, ring the bell and watch the newest videos every single week. We do cars, motorcycles, parts, a lot of stuff. Hit the subscribe button, ring the bell and watch the newest videos every single week as soon as they come out. And I'll see you on the next one.